Okay.
What we're gonna do when I get over there is we're gonna move into that little town next to you, to your left.
Yep.
And we are going to wait for them to charge forward, and we will shoot their faces.
Sounds like a plan.
We are going to defend.
Any good hiding spots in here?
Use buildings as cover, use bushes as camouflage.
Okay.
Remember, when you shoot, the bushes do not give you effective camouflage.
Right.
There's advanced tips to try and be able to use it as advanced camouflage at that point, but I never got it to work. And yes, all of these buildings can be destroyed except the one on your left.
I don't know if I should move up or think this is good.
Well, just hold control and look, or not control, right click, look in front of you, make sure your front isn't sticking out of the bush.
Okay. Awfully quiet. I think I'm gonna move up a little bit. Like to this bush. I like that bush.
On our right. That's it. Damn it.
God, he's fast.
Come on! Fuck you. How is it your shot did massive damage and mine did 13?
Oh, but I keep missing. It's really pissing me off.
Examples of RNG hating me. I have the howitzer and I keep doing shit damage.
I think I'm okay.
He's right there.
Yeah, I missed. Somehow. What the fuck?
Alright, at this point you can either push up towards their... Yeah, push up towards their base. They just took out the guy in the middle.
All their tier 3s are still alive, though. Oh, actually, no, one's dead, but...
You can still do good damage as long as you're not me. Ah, there's their artillery.
Can I blow those buildings up?
No,
Shit.
I don't think so. Wait for teammates to move a little closer. Or you can charge in, up to you.
Well, you don't sound thrilled if I do that.
Go for it. They've got their focus split right now. Get that D2.
Critical hit.
Oh! Come on, come on, come on.
Got him.
Enemy
Yes!
vehicle destroyed.
Alright, move. Artillery's gonna be looking at you.
The artillery was over here, wasn't it?
Yep, there's one.
Got him.
Enemy armor is destroyed.
The other one's on your left. Be careful at this range, he might try and shotgun you. Yep, like that. But he didn't kill you.
Enemy vehicle destroyed.
Alright. You got an enemy D1 and another tank over on your right, past their flag.
Ooh, I think
Oh,
they
no.
see me.
Yeah, they do. You gotta try and do something.
Can't see them. Missed. Got him.
Knocked out.
Crap, Joe. You gotta train.
Yeah, it's hard to see because of the bushes.
There you go.
Bail out. This vehicle has had it.
Last fucking one, too. God damn it.
4 kills.
Yeah, I did really good. I think that was probably the best run I've had. And now
Good
it's
thing
one.
to end on.
Now it's 1 on 3. Yeah.
And one of our guys is already... Okay. 1 on 3, one guy is a medium 2 with full health. And the other guy is a chicken shit and a locust. So it's 1 on 2.
Oh, he's capping. Or trying to. Oop. TW1998, pay attention.
At least the locust can be useful for spotting while he is not there.
What's he doing? Would have been amazing if I got that guy. He's coming in. Oh god, this is going to be an interesting sneak attack. Ooh,
Oh,
did no damage.
D1 has high pen, but hard to penetrate. Can he distract long enough for the RD to get into position?
Is he already even
Come on, Artie.
attacking?
The RD was moving up, but the RD just screwed it up really badly.
Oh.
The engine is damaged.
RD, you have 1 chance.
Nice!
That's a good chunk of XP for you.
Yeah,
You were top.
I was. I was!